Alright, what's going on? We're back with another full day eating video where I show you every single day how to be a lean machine, baby. So today is a busy one. I'm working outside, so I gotta like hit the road and be outdoors with people. And I'm gonna do it really simple. I'm starting the morning with some fruit. Got my fruit salad packed in here. And some grapes. Nothing too OD, but we're diving directly into what supplements I'm gonna have. Everybody loves to know. What supplements do you take, bro? I do not take bodybuilding supplements. I take health supplements for the past year and a half now, maybe close to 2 years. Been vegan for 9 motherfucking years, so this is not how I've survived, okay? I've thrived with or without the vitamins. I'm a high-functioning athlete, as you can tell. And if you don't know, go to my Instagram, EWOJZ, or you can click on my shorts and you can see some of what I do. So, weightlifting 5 times a week, ninja training 3 times a week. 2 of those days are 2-a-days, as there's only 7 days a week, and I train 6 days, 8 times. Yeah, do the math, motherfucker. So, AM, Thorn multivitamin, and magnesium. Somebody did mention to me, oh, I don't see the multivitamins on the vegan side of the Thorn website, and they're just not listed there for whatever reason. I've looked through the ingredients, nothing's animal derived. But if there is a minor little thing in here that's not vegan, who gives a fuck, all right? It's about doing your best, not being perfect. So then I also do Organics Nature's, another company I believe in. Irish sea moss, it's not farmed. It's actually from the sea. That's important. Black seed oil. You want high quality ingredients in these vitamins and multivitamins and all that kind of stuff. Don't just go to the grocery store and grab a random one. Do your research or take my recommendations, all right? Lastly, Alpha Brain, that's how we're rocking and rolling. And I am also bringing along with me the past few months, probably 2 months now, I've been trying superfood honey. Yeah, that is not vegan. This is propolis, royal jelly, and bee pollen. There is no death involved in honey. All right, that's kind of what my main thing is I don't want death to be in my body. And there's no death in honey, okay? It's bee slavery is the reason why it's not vegan. And I've been saying this every time I show it. Half of you motherfuckers are slaves too, so don't even be worried about the bees being slaves. You go to a job you don't like, working for a boss you don't respect, to make a paycheck that barely scrapes you by. That is how the slaves used to function, so you are a slave as well, my friend. Don't discriminate on the bees just because they're slaves too. They got a motherfucking job like the rest of us, alright? So if the bees got to slave away a little bit for me to see if this is beneficial, and then I could tell my people, they gotta do what they gotta do, brother. We all gotta do what we gotta do. So let's not hate on the bees. Let's not do it. This is high quality. This is not just some random honey that maybe, you know, whatever they do to those bees, they go and flick them in their head or something. No. They try to take care of the bees here, the beekeepers. And yeah, straight up. So I have been trying this. I could easily not show you, but I do, because I'm the realest motherfucker on earth. And yeah, straight up. So I'm out the door. We will see you momentarily for meal number 2. Anything you got to say over here? What do you think about?
You need to tell people about, because there's going to be someone in the comments being like, well, dairy doesn't involve any death.
Ooh, yes.
And eggs don't involve any death.
Yeah, people think dairy and eggs don't involve death, and it does, motherfucker. What the hell are you talking about? Do your research. Dairy and eggs are some of the worst things you could do. So people who are vegetarian, that shit is lame. We don't fuck with the vegetarians, all right? We're trying to change that. I would rather have you eat meat damn near than be vegetarian type shit, because, yeah, people are going to flame me for that comment, but
the worst thing for your body.
Dairy's the worst for your body, and it's the worst for the environment. It's worse for the animals. It's literally cow rape and, like, tormenting these things instead of just slitting their neck and getting it over with. Like, holy hell, that is terrible. And eggs are just disgusting, like, straight up. I hate to tell you, like, oh, but eggs are healthy. It's like, no, the fuck they aren't, all right? I'm going to stand on that one. All the people who say eggs are healthy look like shit. So, like, put 2 and 2 together. All right. We'll see you momentarily. I done went on a rant way too long already. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, my God. These bees are slaves. And I'm getting flashed in the background. Yeah, that's what happens. When you have that plant protein, you just be getting flashed at random type shit. Yeah, see, look at this. Getting a little show over here. We'll see you here in a second. Alrighty, we are back with dinner, post-gym, absolute annihilation from the sun today. I hosted an event outside at one of our major parks for the little corporate challenge thing. We incorporated Ninja, all type of shit, and goddamn, baby girl was begging me to wear sunscreen, and I decided not to, and holy fuck, you guys are gonna see here in a second why I should have wore sunscreen. This shit is diabolical. But we are having African peanut stew, and Chrissy's gonna explain to us what is in it. You will see an overshot view right now. And as Chrissy describes this, I'm going to bless you guys with seeing me take my shirt off but still have a tank top on. This is going to be insane. All right, go ahead.
So in here is some onion, garlic, ginger, jalapeno, sweet potato, chickpeas, tomato, peanut butter, and some kale.
What the fuck is happening? I have a fucking white tank top on right now. Look at the back.
The bag is so bad.
Bro, like what the fuck? I look like I have a white beater tan. This is just a tank top tan. Look at that. Like it perfectly comes around my fucking chest. It looks crazy as fuck. I fucked up, guys. I fucked up. I ruined my entire image for the rest of the year. I don't know how I'm gonna change this. Like hopefully tomorrow it settles down, but I'm gonna have like this crazy tan. At least in the gym. Oh my god, I gotta. Oh my fucking god, bro. This is horrible. At least in the gym. At least in the gym, I'm gonna wear a tank top so you won't really notice it. Some of my tank tops come a little lower, but like when that shit moves, this is diabolical. Like at least I was wearing the smallest tank top today. Like not tight-wise small, but like as far as like the width here, because this is fucking insane. Wish me luck in the comments. Fucking put the L's in the comments for me too. Like, bro, you're an idiot. At least I wore sunscreen on my face, so it's not that crazy flushed. I got a little bit of burn, but my fucking neck, bro. Oh my god.
Did you put the aloe on?
I did put the aloe on, so wish me luck. Well, that's the end of the video. Like, I still... It doesn't even matter, bro. I still look shredded. Just looks like I got a tank top on that has nipples on it and fucking... Making her spit her food out. Me and my friends used to have this fucking hilarious joke of like when I would wear like a t-shirt, like yeah, I'll put it back on for you. Me and my friends used to have this hilarious joke of like when I wear a t-shirt, like, whoa, where'd you get that? It's like $1,000 t-shirt. You look like, is that a Batman t-shirt? Because I go like this. You can see, yeah, I paid extra to see them abs through the motherfucking t-shirt type shit. So that's kind of what I feel like with my shirt off right now. Look at that. You know you eat lean when you... Look at that. You could see your motherfucking abs through a t-shirt, bro. I could wear a black t-shirt and do the same thing, which is wild. So, plant-based lifestyle is the way, motherfucker. And to close this out, someone today decided that they're going to tell me what I am. They said I'm a vegetarian. You must be a vegetarian, if anything. You're not a vegan. Just because I'm the fucking flyest dude on earth, shredded year-round for motherfucking 13 years, and 9 of those years I've been vegan, you don't think I'm a vegan? Huh? They were talking about some shit on my channel. Bro, this is wild, bro. We're going to get into it real quick, closing this video out, because only the real ones are still on the page right now. Shout out to Tiny Jungle once again. We're going to give you a double shout out. I think I shouted out in yesterday's video, right? But you're getting a double shout out because you're just the realest one. And, yeah, so this dude straight up told me, he's like, you look like a twink that would ignore me on Grindr. But you look very good, bro. Like, that was the end of his, like, that's how he ended, telling me that he doesn't think I'm a vegan. I'm like, bro, like, this is some wild shit that people just be on here, like, trolling me with. Wild, diabolical shit. But the point that I'm trying to get, you can put me in plant-based, maybe, because I'd be showing the honey on here. Like, yeah, I don't give a fuck about no bee slavery type shit. Like, if it's going to benefit me, I'll try it. I don't do dairy. I don't do meat. I don't do eggs. I don't do any of that death shit. None of the death game. Honey is the only thing that I accept, and I'm not that offended by when people use. I'm a plant-based vegan motherfucker, though, so just because you think that I can't do it, or you think that you can't do it, don't be hating on me, brother. Put some goddamn respect on my name. I'm putting on for the vegans. I know, I be seeing people commenting. This dude commented, I can't remember your channel name, but shout out to you if you're watching. This dude said he's 61 years old, still hitting PRs in the gym. Tiny Jungle said he's a 6'3", 225 beast too. So you know what I mean? You motherfuckers are putting in the work too. That's what I'm saying. This channel is going to build eagles only. I already said this today, I believe, because I keep saying it. I only want the people who climb to the top and get the high-hanging fruit. We don't fuck with the low-hanging fruit type people. Those people are bums. Like, none of that. We work hard for our shit, and we go the extra mile. Real man shit. you gotta go extra hard when you're plant-based to be putting on this muscle. So, respect to you for doing it the right way. Fuck the haters. Fuck the carnivore people. They can all suck my nuts. Those people gotta fucking...
They probably do want to suck it.
They probably do want to suck my nuts.
They fucking eat testicles and shit, you know?
Yeah, you know what? Phenomenal point. Those motherfuckers be eating testicles. They're on some weirdo shit. And hey, shout out to the gay people. We are not against the gay people, alright? But like, the straight men who eat testicles... And also, you're so obsessed with putting meat in your mouth. Like, bro, you gotta... Plus, your cock don't even work. You know damn well your cock don't work. Like, facts. Oh, you need more cholesterol. Like, bro, that's why your wife be hitting me up to fuck her. Alright? Because your dick can't get hard. She wants a real motherfucker. Yeah, my girl's looking at me crazy as fuck. But she knows it's the truth, bro. That's the crazy thing. She knows it's the truth. Alright? So, we will see you tomorrow for another lovely video where I go on a crazy epic rant, alright? These videos are just getting crazier and crazier, so we'll see you tomorrow.